Hey, thanks for joining me. Hi, I'm Eitan Zakadin, and I'm a solution architect at Acxiom. I'm going to demonstrate another integration use case with Acxiom's data products and Adobe's real-time CDP. Here's the scenario. Our beloved sample brand, The Popular Parrot, is a successful online and brick-and-mortar shop known for their high-quality coffees, teas, juices, you name it. Popular Parrot's goal is to attract new high-quality visitors who want to buy the brand's hard-to-find premium goods. Their strategy is to create a prospect audience and have Acxiom activate it to Meta so they can reach new customers from the list directly on Facebook and Instagram. In real-time CDP, let's go ahead and create an audience. Here, we can see rules to capture customers that purchased within the last 60 days. Let's go ahead and get a profile estimate count. We can adjust this count by adding or removing attributes. Once we're happy with the size, we can name it and then click publish. We also see unauthenticated profiles who are browsing and only have an EC ID. Popular Parrot will use Acxiom's first-party prospect data to execute its client acquisition strategy. By modeling their ideal customers' attributes, Acxiom can match to our prospect database, then clean that list to suppress any existing customers, and we're ready to go. This Popular Parrot's clean prospect list includes attributes that have a higher likelihood of becoming new Popular Parrot customers. For example, disposable income index, interest in organic foods rated 1 to 5, and interest in trying new foods also rated 1 to 5. Back in Adobe Real-Time CDP, the first thing that we'll do is build out the schema. That way we can receive the prospect file as a data set. We'll need the XDM individual prospect profile schema type. We already have one built out here. Notice we have our attributes built out and we enabled the schema for profiles, allowing the prospect data to be added to a prospect audience. We also want to make sure that the primary identity in the identity namespace is set to partner ID. Since we have an account set up, we'll choose the Popular Parrot prospecting data import. We'll select the file and the delimiter. Here's a preview of the data set we're about to upload to the schema we created earlier. We'll name our new data set, select our schema, and enable profile data set. We'll ensure our mapping from our uploaded source data to our schema target fields is correct. Then we'll schedule and finish. Under datasets, we'll see the successful upload of 30,000 records already enabled for audience building. Now let's build a prospect audience. Let's navigate to our prospect profile attributes. Clicking on the eye information icon, we can get a sense and description for what the attribute is. In this case, the disposable income index is likely indexed ratio of individual income compared to individual zip 5, where zip 5 average is 100. Let's drag that and give it a greater than or equal to 100. And then let's add interest in organic foods. Someone in the house has an interest or in natural or organic foods. And let's set that interest from 1 to 5 at greater than or equal to 3. Let's go ahead and get the profile count on that. If we're happy with that profile count, we'll give it a name and then save. In real-time CDP, let's go ahead and create an audience. Here, we can see rules to capture customers that purchased within the last 60 days. Let's go ahead and get a profile estimate count. We can adjust this count by adding or removing attributes. Once we're happy with the size, we can name it and then click Publish. Now, let's activate our new prospect audience to the destination. We'll click Activate to Destination. We'll select the Acxiom Prospect Activation Destination Connector. We'll click Next. On Source Field, we'll click Select Identity Namespace to choose Partner ID and click Save. We'll review. Click Finish, and that's it. Now Acxiom launches the campaign on behalf of the client. Here's the ad from the Meta campaign with the targeted prospect audience. Notice the incentivized coupon code offering 10% off, but also used to track this specific campaign. People click on the ad and go to the popular parrot site. Previously, we saw the unauthenticated prospect browsing the site and immediately showing up in real-time CDP with an ECID. Now that prospect then purchases an item, adds the coupon code to become a new authenticated customer. Let's look at the real-time CDP again to see the new customer, and here is the new record. Now that we have the new customer segment, let's go through the suppression flow used to initially clean the prospect list. We'll activate to destination, select suppression, we'll map it, but this time we'll select the email identity space as the main identifier. We'll click Next and then Finish. Note that this is a one-time import. Normally, we'd set up a feed for an ongoing suppression list to clean the ongoing prospect list for however long the duration of the contract. Thank you for watching how Acxiom and Adobe empower businesses every day to maximize their growth potential. To learn more, visit acxiom.com/Adobe-partnership or email cdp.partnerships@acxiom.com.